Hello viewers, in this video I am going to provide the solution to this interesting exponential equation. We are given that root 6 raised to power 15 plus 6 raised to power x over 6 raised to power x plus root 6 raised to power 13 all squared is equal to 6. How do we solve for x? In solving this question, the first thing I'm going to do is to get rid of this square. In order to get rid of square, I am going to do what? Find the square root of both sides. Finding the square root of both sides helps to cancel this square, and if we bring down the expressions left, we're going to have root 6 raised to power 15 plus 6 raised to power x over 6 raised to power x plus root 6 raised to power 13 on the left hand side. This equals root 6. What do we do next? I am going to cross multiply. Cross multiplying gives me root 6 raised to power 15 plus 6 raised to power x on the left hand side. This equals root 6 multiplied by 6 raised to power x plus root 6 again multiplied by root 6 all raised to power what? 13. What do we do next? Now look at this expression very well. Root 6 can still be expressed as what? 6 raised to power half from the rule of indices. This multiplies. Now root 6 raised to power 13, applying the rule of indices, this will be written as root 6 raised to power 13 over 2. 6 raised to power 13 over 2. Let me bring down root 6 multiplied by 6 raised to power x here. Obeying the rule of indices further on this expression, let's recall that when you have two similar bases, we simply have to do what? Add the powers from the rule of indices. So 1 over 2 plus 13 over 2 will give us what? 7. This root 6 here will be written as 6 raised to power half, and this multiplies 6 raised to power x. Let me bring down all this. By this other side, I am going to have 6, that will be written as 6 raised to power 15 over what? Over 2. The square root there becomes this 2 we have here. I bring down the other 6 raised to power x. What do we do next? I'm going to collect like terms. This is a like term with this, while this is also a like term with this. So I bring down 6 raised to power 15 over 2 minus the 6 raised to power 7 that crosses here. By the right hand side, we're going to have 6 raised to power half multiplied by 6 raised to power x minus this 6 raised to power x that crosses to the right hand side. What do we do next? We're going to factorize each side. We're going to factorize each side. Factorizing this side, our highest common factor is going to be 6 raised to power 7, because this power 7 is lower than this 7.5. So we have we're going to have 6 raised to power 7 into, now dividing the whole of this by 6 raised to power 7 will give us what? From the rule of indices, division becomes what? Subtraction. Subtraction of the powers. So 7.5 subtracts 7, leaving behind what? Half. Minus 6 raised to power 7 divided by 6 raised to power 7 gives us 1 there. Factorizing the right hand side, what is common there is 6 raised to power x. The whole of this divided by 6 raised to power x leaves behind 6 raised to power half minus 1 if you divide this by 6 raised to power x. So what do you notice? This cancels out on either side, leaving behind 6 raised to power x equals 6 raised to power 7, and so the value for our x is going to be equal to 7 as this cancels out. Thank you for watching. For more exciting videos like this, kindly subscribe to my channel and share my videos.